Oh.
Was out. And yet he allowed Nadal to self-destruct there. He just, his game picked up. Forget that right. That's gone.
Maxie, she doesn't even have her eyes open.
My mom emailed me back about your pictures. Cute dog. The girl's not bad either. Who took these? They're good.
I'm sure he's got plenty, but the racket stinks right now. It's like old cheese. I put it on it near me. Yeah.
There it is. Need a little bit
Her
more.
first 4-ounce bottle.
5 games old.
What?
That was her first 4-ounce bottle.
Wow. You gonna throw up on me?
Hi, Mr. Boy. Where's she going?